Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Kemari Reaction. So this was a very unusual request that was given to me. I never expected this Saweetie to be a recommendation on my channel. So someone sent me the link to this video. I explained to that person the only song I know from Saweetie is My Type. That's a song I would listen to when I'm a group of run of bad bitches, and they play that song and I would listen to that song together. If I do listen to a song to hype me up before I go to the gym, My Type is that I'm listening to. But besides that, I really don't know her discography or her songs like that. And I do see her, no, I won't lie here, I have never seen her perform, but I do see the backlash that she's getting from this performance. So I'm very iffy about watching this video, so I'm gonna watch it. I'm gonna be best as I can.
So I'm gonna walk up there with him. We're gonna walk through it.
Heads up, everyone. Pyro's coming hot.
Yep, you ready? Okay, we're gonna walk it. Can we get a count in for Saweetie, please?
Yep, stand by.
Alright, as long as my dance moves are good.
Upgrade, who's next? Rich boy, got him on deck. Good boy, tell that nigga fresh. I put my new man on a leash. Traded my old boy, he was just a lease. Right around town till I leave. I get a boy around, spin him back to the streets like da da di da di da. Yeah, I spin him back to the streets like da da di da di da.
Come on, dancers. Okay. Oh, she's lip syncing. Ah, yeah, that's funny. I'm a mess still. Come on, Doja. Oh, so this is the performer they're talking about. I need some drink for this one. Come on, Doja. Drinking water. Money. No one is gonna wait for. At least Doja Cat is rapping over her this backing track. So I'm guessing she's stiff dancing all the way through. Okay, she's pretty. I forgot, it's about personalities now. Talent is is F.E.
Don't go there, bitch. Break up wreck. She's a threat and attack. That buckle foot on there, give nowhere. Whole world wanna be us. They're my main bitch. She my day one on my way, bitch. Let you get drunk and celebrate. Cause we the baddest in the club. They're my best friend. She a real bad.
It looks like they're both lip singing or something's not syncing together. She better give this dancer a raise. But how long is this performance? Oh, Jesus Christ, we're not even halfway there yet. not only she gave me that Beyonce at the Beyonce title performance when she and Nicki Minaj did that feeling myself thing when Nicki Minaj at the title concert. That's what they're giving me. That's the entrance she gave me, and this performance is whack. But like I said before, you know, it's like my friend will always say, it's about the personality. I don't give a fuck about the personality, okay? I don't give a fuck about no damn personality. This sucks. I don't understand why this person would give this to me, because they know I do a like performance. So the person who gave this to me, if you're watching this video, just know you're blocked for 2 weeks. Don't give me no other performance. This is very boring to me. But I have to sit here and watch because someone's like, oh my god, last time you did a reaction, yeah, you didn't finish. Well, this is boring. Waste of my damn time. Thank God I have some alcohol in this damn cup. I mean water. Ugh. Oh my god. That was done.
Low waist, fat ass bitch, tap in. Tap, tap, tap in. Diamonds dancing on your neck, nigga, tap in. Tap, tap, tap in. Fucking nigga, get rich, bitch, tap in. Tap, tap, tap in. MOB, icy gang, nigga, tap in. Tap, tap, tap in. Wrist on glitter, waist on thinner. I'ma show you how to beg an 8-figure nigga. Face on fatty, pockets on jigger.
Yes, come on, dancers. Yes, I love these dancers. What? Girl over there doing acrobatics? Raise, 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 raise. Give them a raise, hey. Give them the raise, hey. One fight night. Let me clap. One fight night. It sounds like that song, Fight Club, Fight Night.
I got a real nigga, put it ice in my cake. I see from my lips to my fingers to my toenails. You finish your night, this ain't going on sale. All these hoes goofy, baby, I do not do friends, but a lot of niggas pussy, but I promise that I won't tell. Now what's my favorite word? Bitch go smile, but I know she don't like it. 200 for a verse, girl, I'm way too spicy. Fuck her, run and bring back hype. Low waist, fat ass bitch, tap in. Tap, tap, tap in. Diamonds dancing on your neck, nigga, tap in. Tap, tap, tap in. Fucking nigga, get rich, bitch, tap in. Tap, tap, tap in. MOB, icy gang, nigga, tap in. Tap, tap, tap in.
Okay, this beat is hot. Yes. These dancers better get a damn raise. I don't understand. I don't understand. Yeah, yeah, yes. Woman, yes. 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 Come on, dancers. Hey. Man, my type. My type. That's a song. That's why my type song sounds so familiar. I was like, why I love this song now so much? It's because of that damn song. Yes. Water tastes so good. Was Cardi B or Megan Thee Stallion booked or busy? Was Brie Runway booked or busy? What's going on? I'm so confused. When is Doja Cat coming on? Let me stop because I don't want no one else dragging me on Twitter because I'm ready to cuss a bitch out. I have no time. Oh, what was that? Oh, those dancers are killing it. Yes! 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 Slow motion! Girl, you stiff, Saweetie. At this point, can we just watch the dancers or something? Because I'm confused. This is reason. Maybe this is why I don't work in my career field in communication. If I was a showrunner or production manager, I'm like, no, take her off. We want ratings. We want viewership. And she don't even attempt to even lip sync or sing over the backing track. See, this is what I told my friend. This is what happened one day. Oh my god, it's about the personality. Ugh, we get shits like this. Oh god, leave it to Cardi B, hon, please. Leave it to Cardi B. Oh, that's what she reminded me of, the performance in All White too. The Cardi B performance that she did at Coachella. I don't understand how you out of breath. You wasn't even rapping. No, I'm ending it right there. I can't. Thanks to the one who recommended me to react to Saweetie. Like, Saweetie. That wasn't it. The person who recommended me to react to this, just to let you know this shit right now, you are blocked for like 2 weeks. Don't have me recommend. I told you guys already, I like performances. If I do enjoy what they're giving me, I will go out and buy this stuff. I love the Latino pop male group CNCO. I reacted to CNCO. I even bought the Deja Vu album, ready to buy some merch from them. I do like performances. I like Nicki Minaj. I bought some of Nicki Minaj stuff. What is going on? I like Janet Jackson. I bought some of their stuff. I like Christina Aguilera, but I bought some of their stuff. What's going on? Saweetie, this performance was whack. I don't understand what's going on. Like, someone told me the other day, oh, you know, maybe she's dancing and stuff. I understand that perfectly. But how long she been in this game? 2, 3+ years? This is your job here to entertain. I'm not here to watch no child's play. I don't understand. I don't understand. Do I believe she had potential? Yeah. Do most people say maybe she's not interested in performing in this video? Sounds personal to me. None of my business. Oh, maybe here she's collecting a check. Well, I would ask for a refund. I think the performance is very whack, very tired, very lackluster. Nothing disappointed me. I've watched plenty of her, few of her music video, and it was very lackluster in the music video, so it's not disappointing me now. I was hoping she would slap me in my throat. She didn't slap me in my throat. I want my money back. I'm gonna let this person know right now. Don't send me no recommendation because you are blocked for 2 weeks. This is terrible. For everybody else, whatever you guys want to react to, just leave it a link below. If it's something like this bad, please don't even worry about me reacting to it. This is terrible. As always, who can do you besides you? Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. This was ugh.